So recently, over 3 months, I've edited on my Windows PC by software called Premiere Pro, Adobe Premiere Pro, and my Windows PC performs really well. But yeah, it's with another problem is storage. So if you already watched my other videos on my YouTube channel, if I already showed you, but I don't really remember, is there's a lot of drive sitting inside my computer. But when I change the case, so you can see here, this case is kind of small and it doesn't even fit like all my HDDs in a way, but it just only fit 1 TB HDD into SSD. But I'm kind of lazy to open the case to show you guys, so I'm just record like that. So things change when I change to TrueNas. So I will turn this old office PC to the home server at home. You will need TrueNas called the enterprise data. TrueNas, the enterprise data platform. So this thing is you can build it at home like a home server. So how I do this and does it perform well? Let's find out in this video. So for the hard drive, I use 4 hard drive and 4 SATA cables. So first is the 320 gigs Samsung HDD 504,000 RPM. It isn't fast as SSD, but I want to keep the cost down low as possible. And the next is this 750 gigs Western Digital, also 540 RPM, but this is for my video data project. And the next is this 1 TB Toshiba 720 RPM. This for my backup photos, my personal stuff, and other things. And finally, 500 gigs HDD, also 720 RPM for my VMware and other backup. And finally, 4 SATA cable to connect to these hard drive. So for next is the case. I found this in my wardrobe when I'm tidying up. It is the school office PC back in the days of my dad, and it's kind of bad and ugly, but it should works fine. So let's see what's inside of it. Alright, open it up, and you can see there's 400 watts AC belt power supply. It should works fine with 4 hard drive. The CPU is, I don't know, Pentium what, and 2 gigs RAM installed, and no boot drive included, but we should works fine because we already have it. SATA and Molex cable. I like this case because it has got HDD base, but it's kinda ugly, but it should works fine. And now for the assembly, I first install the 320 gigs boot drive first. And second is 750 gigs of HDD for the my video project. And for the next is it's kind of not really unscrewed, so I will change the screw back in. And for the also HDD too. Now for 500 gigs of CK HDD, screw it back in, and finally the 1 TB Toshiba goes inside the base. I really like this case because it has got some nice HD base, and finally set a cable inside and set a power. I'm kind of lazy to do the cable management, so I will leave it there. And I've also put these inside, put the two broken HDD for the fan cover, and now close up the case. Now look at it. We have got server. And now next is I'm gonna boot test this thing. So I forgot to recording the install progress, so I'm sorry. And yeah, so what the hell? So I think the BIOS is kind of broken, but I'll worry about later. And set a day, exit, and boot into TrueNas. So I forgot to recording the installation step, so I'm sorry. Now I'm gonna wait it to boot because this is booting inside the HDD 540 RPM, so it's gonna a little bit slow. So when I've got the IP address later, wait for it. So when I've got the IP address, so I've just unplugged the monitor. So after I setting up something like I can't really share with you guys my processing because it's inside like the privacy and my security things, so I can really share you guys, so I'm sorry. So I've also forgot to recording when I am installing TrueNas, so I'm sorry. So I've already created my system, but I didn't record it. So why? Because it's like my privacy and my project and my sensitive data, so I can't share it to you. So I'm kind of worried about the memory, so just only 2 gigs. So like in the future I will upgrade it to 8 gigabytes of DDR3 RAM, so I can expand the capacity. So in the future I will upgrade to 8 gigs. Now for storage, so I've already stored a thing to backup, usable capacity and lots of things. So my backup I already use half a terabyte, almost all over half a terabyte. My video I've just only used almost 190 gigs, and VMware not even 80 gigs. So how does it perform? Well, let's find out. Now for my games I will use the BMG drive to test. So I will control copy it, go to over a network, and here you can see TrueNas. So I've already logged it into my PC. So I am like, wait, okay. So I've already created on my PC. So I've already logged in TrueNas on my PC. So when I go to my backup disk, in my backup games, so like for things, use the my wait, right? So back in here, I will control copy it, and the speed copying isn't bad at all. It isn't bad at all, and it's currently running at the maximum speed. So over a file, 20 gigabyte, I think it's just only take 3 or 4 minutes to copying the data, and the speed aren't bad at all. Almost a gigabit, almost a gigabit, and I have, and this is quite take a bit of space, but I worried about it later. So, alright, so I think that is my thought of my TrueNas, and it performs quite well. Not bad, not bad at all. So when my channel grow up, I can build another NAS, much stronger, more space, and I will use the 10 gigabit Ethernet port to do this. And as always, it's kind of fixed the problem of storage on my old case. So this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the like, share button, and watch my new video. And if this video gets about 50 likes and over 2,000 views, I will upload the video that show you how to install and configure some things in TrueNas. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in next video soon. Goodbye.